Good morning. Chief guest of today's event, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Ladakh, Professor Saket Kushwaha. Today's guest of honor, Mr. Mandeep Mittal, IFS, Wildlife Warden Leh. Our special guest, Mr. Sonam Lotos, Indian Meteorological Department Leh. Dr. Tsewang Namgyal, Head Snow Leopard Conservancy, India Trust. Worthy Registrar, Mr. Ngawang Tundo. Dean Research Studies, Dr. Subrat Sharma. Dean Sciences, Dr. Mohammad Hussain. Dean Student Welfare, Dr. Jigmet Dechen. Head Mountain Research Institute, Dr. Sonam Wangmo. Respected speakers, staff from Snow Leopard Conservancy, India Trust, coordinators of various departments, faculties, and dear students, a very warm and heartfelt welcome to you all. I am Sanjin Dolkar, and it is a privilege to stand before you today as we gather for the inaugural session of the two-day symposium on Safeguarding Frozen Lifelines, Glaciers, and Cryosphere Preservation in Ladakh, organized by the University of Ladakh in collaboration with Snow Leopard Conservancy India Trust and Ohio State University, Columbus, Ohio. With an honor it is to officially start this day, I request Ms. Rigzin Chorol, Snow Leopard Conservancy India Trust, and Dr. Sonam Wangmo, Head Mountain Research Institute, to kindly felicitate our guest with the traditional khataks and mementos. Thank you so much, ma'am. Before we proceed with the inaugural session, I would like to invite everyone to stand for the national anthem to honor our country and our collective efforts to safeguard our natural heritage. Jan Gana Mana Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravid Utkal Banga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchal Chaladi Taranga Tav Shubh Naame Jage Tav Shubh Ashish Mage Gahe Tav Jaya Gatha Jana Gana Mangal Dhayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He. Thank you, everyone. I request our esteemed dignitaries and guests on the stage to kindly come forward and light the lamp which will signify the start of this momentous event.
अरे आइए मैं कह तो रहा हूँ लद्दाख के लोगों को नहीं लद्दाख के अभी ये बिटिया से करा दे, आ जाओ।
Now, I request Dr. Mohammad Hussain for the welcome address.
I am Dr. Mohsen. I am taking this opportunity to present a welcome note on this significant and timely symposium on safeguarding frozen lifeline glaciers and cryptosphere preservation in Ladakh. First and foremost, I am extending my warm and heartfelt welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Professor Saket Kushwaha, Vice Chancellor of University of Ladakh, who has been an beacon of guidance and support for this program. We are deeply grateful to the invaluable time you have spared to grace today's event with your presence. We are honored to welcome our distinguished guest of honor, Mr. Mandip Mittal, IFS Wildlife Warden Leh, whose unwavering commitment to conservation and environmental stewardship continue to inspire us all. A warm welcome to our special guest, Mr. Sonam Lotus from Indian Meteorological Department, Leh, whose expertise and contribution to meteorological and environmental studies are invaluable to the discourse on preserving Ladakh's fragile ecosystem. I am delighted to welcome our esteemed program partner, Professor Nicholas Brefogel and Professor Alexander Thompson from Ohio State University, USA, who are joining us online and whose collaboration and expertise have been instrumental in shaping this symposium and advancing global understanding of cryptosphere preservation. Welcome to Dr. Subra Sharma, Dean Research, deans from various schools, faculty members, and students from EGM College, Leh, for attending this symposium. Whether they are attending online or offline.
For this historic day, I would say, and symposium, as many of you would know, that recently UNESCO and WMO, the World Meteorological Organization, have jointly declared the year 2025 as the International Year of Glacier Preservation, and the 21st of March as the World Glaciers Day. And it's really fortunate for people like us living in the mountains, depending so much on these glaciers. It would at least draw attentions to these glaciers which have been neglected and ignored for long. You would be surprised that there's not a single policy or a legislation around the glaciers, governing the glaciers or the usage of glaciers, water from the glaciers.
Thank you, respected Professor Kushwaha sir, for inviting me, for giving me a chance, and Mittal sir, Kale, Dr. Saab, Ngawang, Dr. Mohammed Saab, and the audience. So, you know, weather and climate system. Actually, we are living in two systems. One is lithosphere. That's solid earth where we are right now. And another one is atmosphere, the gaseous state. For example, when we talk of atmosphere, when you talk of just even
Once I joined here as a wildlife warden, I went to Shang and I saw the snow leopard in wild for the first time. And it was a life-changing experience. So once you actually get to know the place, you realize that the area of Ladakh is so rich in biodiversity. It's not like any other area. The wildlife which is found here, be it the black-necked crane, be it snow leopards, lynx, Pallas's cat, these animals are found in very few other places. So, this region of Ladakh is now facing a lot of pressure of development. But even then, the wildlife is thriving. And it's only because of the culture of Ladakh. The people of Ladakh have a lot of sensitivity towards nature and wildlife. So being in the wildlife department, we get a lot of cases where animals like snow leopard and lynx sometimes attack the livestock.
In this hall, you can see carbon dioxide is there, we are breathing. But what else we did, which we could have avoided? So first, lighting the lamp. Though lighting the lamp is very sacred activity, but then how much carbon emission we are doing? So next time in the University of Ladakh, we are not going to use this traditional way of lighting the lamp. We are going to ask Rafi to start the electronic lamp so that we push the button and light will be on. No burning of oil. Okay, very small contribution we are going to do. The second contribution we are going to do, if we have to release a document, we are not going to use the fancy paper document. Here, at least how many? Look at the fancy, ribbon and this thing we have used. We are going to use a clothing, a simple kind of box or clothing, which can be recycled. We will be using again and again. So, from now onward, for 3 years, let next Vice Chancellor come and revert the whole thing, I don't mind. But during my regime, we are going to observe few small things.
Proceeding towards the end of this inaugural session, I kindly request Dr. Amjad Hussain, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, to propose the formal vote of thanks. Thank you.
I, Dr. Amjad Hussain, on behalf of University of Ladakh, feel honored to propose the vote of thanks. First of all, it's my privilege to extend our heartfelt gratitude to all who have graced this inaugural session of this 2-day symposium commemorating first World Glacier Day 2025. This workshop on glacier and cryosphere preservation in the Ladakh region will be an extraordinary journey, uniting individuals from all walks of life who share a common passion for preserving and celebrating the remarkable glaciers and cryosphere of this region. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Professor Saket Kushwaha, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Ladakh, for gracing the event as a chief guest. Your insightful address has set a profound tone for our symposium, emphasizing the critical importance of glacier preservation in our region.